dito ko sa garden. Hey mama, that's my garlic. They're growing good. Look. Parang palayan din eh. Look at that garlic. I have to take care of that. Yeah. Yep. And then finish your food, ma. Finish your food. There's the potatoes. Different potatoes. They sprout already at home, so I just throw them in there, whatever, if it gives me some good. But this one, I really planted this one, and now it's sprouting already. I'm gonna add some soil, but I'm just waiting until it shows up. So I put like that so that the cats won't, mess around with my plants. So it's gonna be a lot of potatoes if it gives me good. That would be enough for us because we don't really rely on potatoes. If it's rice, yes. I wish I can grow rice here, but yeah, so this one needs some more soil. It needs some more soil, but for now, that would work for now. Maybe I'll put some hay on top of it. So this one right here, this is Roma tomato, guys. 6 of them are Roma tomato. And there's a eggplant, bell pepper, and this is from last year pepper. Yeah, and that one right there, I think it's a big beef tomato. That one, 6 of them too. How many was that? Oh. 2, 5, 6. Yep, I don't know what's going on over there. It's kinda dying, that one plant right there. I don't know what's going on. Maybe something is eating it. But it's okay. The other ones are doing great. That's why I put them separate. All of them like in a different area, because if I put them one area and one soil is not good for them, my tomato is not gonna be good. But it's okay. I got tomato in every area. I'll show you again my other one. This is my old garden here at my mom, so I still have to work on that one. My mom was like, you still have a lot of plots to plant. But, yep, that's here on the old one. And then I still haven't decided. I think I know what I'm gonna put here. It's the yard long bean. I'm gonna put in here. So that one. Spike corn and some squashes. And there's one cucumber right there, and it's corn. That's the first bed, and this one is also, this is tomato, that's San Marzano. This is eggplant. Another tomato, this is Sun Gold tomatoes. I have pepper in there, and some eggplant. And this is, I think this is cayenne pepper, if I'm not mistaken. Another eggplant. This is Asian eggplant. Another. And we have another one right there. So that one, I think I'm gonna put some squash. Sabi ni mama hindi dyan, doon daw sa loob. Okay, then doon. Doon na lang sa loob, te. Alokbati from last year is poppin'. Putol na naman tayo ng damo. weed whacker ang tawag dito. Putol siya ng damo.
Anong bawang?
Yes ma, that's garlic. Ni-stack namin din yung damo din sa garden. So, magko-continue muna ako. Update ko kayo mamaya.